Hey everyone, this is Ofer from RealWave. Today we have a special agent for you. It's one of our pro agents, the next generation of self-selling agents. To get it, go to the Pro Agent Suite agent library. Here you will find all the information and snapshots you need to set it up. We're going to go through everything and show you how it looks. It uses both CloseBot agents and GHL workflows, and you can download the CloseBot snapshot, the two workflows here, directly to your CloseBot account. The GHL snapshot is right here. The demo starts when the lead fills up a form in the website. When we get their information, we run the RealWave crawler, an investigator, and get information about them, about their website, about their business. And we're building a strategy on how to sell them the concept of AI. We engage them into a demo, and we try to convert both inside the demo and outside the demo, convert them to meet with you. The demo is supposed to be the pitch. We're supposed to prove them that AI works, it understands what they want, and it can build them a convincing demonstration of the capabilities. One of the most powerful things we've done is the reconnaissance part, where we crawl, research, and find information about our lead. And we do it in several stages. We're looking at the web, LinkedIn news about them and their company. We look at their website and find specific bottlenecks, as the AI like to call them, bottlenecks. Then we go into a key discovery phase to figure out what would be the value proposition that would work for their clients. And we build the opportunity package and teach CloseBot to do that all in real time, all integrated inside your agent. Let's go ahead and see how it works. Click the live demo. And the live demo is GHL funnel inside the GHL snapshot that you're downloading. This is just a preliminary example. I hope that you take that and extend it and add graphics and add your texting. You can even use our marketing AI agent to automatically generate all the content you need for this page and the graphics. So let's go ahead and start the demo. Who am I going to be today? Who have we got today in our list?
In the past year, we saw that wealth management firms are currently really accelerating themselves with AI. So we randomly chose a wealth management firm. They're called Texas Wealth Management. And I sent you the name and everything over chat.
It's a real business.
Yeah, it's a real live business, and this is their real live website. The name is coming from the About Us and the team, so it's actually as if someone from the business reached out to you.
Okay, so I'll give my demo email address and industry, wealth management. Agree. Create my AI assistant. I have my iPhone mirrored here so we can see what happens. It usually takes 30 seconds to a minute to get that first message go out. And there we go. Let's see what I got. Hey, Michael, I'm impressed by your decades of experience helping Houstonians navigate their financial futures with clarity and care. Your AI assistant from RealWave is ready. We designed it to improve on the static form and manual scheduling process for your complimentary meetings. So it went to the website and figured out they have contact us, but they don't have any real life booking. It suggests an improvement over the existing. And then it starts counting down 3, 2, 1, demo starting, just to set the stage. And now it's starting to act as the Texas Wealth Management AI assistant, helping individuals and families achieve their financial goal with personal wealth planning and investment management. It asks me whether I'm ready to get started. Yes, please. So now I know I'm in a demo and I know what to expect. Great. To help us understand how we can best support you, could you share an estimate of your current investable assets? Let's say $200,000. Thanks for sharing that. I'm curious, have you worked with a professional financial planner before? No. Thanks for letting me know. When you think your finances, what's the biggest challenge or concern? I want to save for college for my 8 kids. That's a wonderful goal. Saving for college kids is a big undertaking. Have you tried any specific strategies or tools to start working towards this, or is this something you're just beginning to explore? Just beginning. So it basically asks me for qualifying questions that the AI prepares. Again, this is something that you can further customize when you take those workflows and agents and build your version around it, or you can always hire us to do that for you. We appreciate you sharing the goals. Based on what you've told us, we've helped many people in similar situation. Now it's starting to sell. The next logical step is to connect for a brief call, convert to a meeting. When would be a good time for you to connect? 5 p.m. tomorrow. And this connects into a mock calendar inside the GHL account. Of course, you can set it the way you want it to, but this is the way we set it up. And the purpose was to show the lead that we can actually schedule an appointment within the demo. Perfect. I've scheduled a call at 5 p.m. tomorrow. Do you have any specific questions? Feel free to share them here. Looking forward to our conversation. Thank you. And then as soon as the lead replies, the agent sends the message. So the lead knows that we're finished with the demo. It provides a final statement. So the lead knows that the demo is over. It's talking to AI directly again, and it implements a thought-provoking question. The AI is actually asking the lead what it thought about the demo and uses this as a segue to schedule a real appointment or meeting and convert this lead for you. Let me give you an overview on how everything works. We have two CloseBot agents and a GHL snapshot. The installation starts with installing the GHL snapshot, and let me show you how it looks inside. You will get a few custom values and two workflows. The main workflow is the form submitted. This gets the information when someone clicks the button in the funnel. And it's a simple but powerful workflow. It starts by researching and crawling and looking for information about the lead, and it uses your RealWave Pro account. The first action is the research crawler, and this runs and crawls the internet, does all the research for you. It can do that easily because it uses the RealWave API connected through your RealWave API key after you set it up properly. It returns all the information to GHL and saves the research. All the information we find about the lead, the pain points, the summary, everything is here. The system sends me an opportunity report. It summarizes it for me and it showed me everything we found about the lead, what is the opportunity that the AI thinks there is here, based on what proof, the entire demo plan as we created it to plug into CloseBot, and the entire breakdown is right here for you. It's a very elaborate and very, very smart agent. Going back here, so all this information that we generate is saved inside your contact, so you have everything about them for future communications. That's one of the biggest bonuses of working with this approach. Then after we get that, we go into the objectifier. That's another RealWave agent that specializes in creating the objectives out of those pain points and information about your lead. Those objectives get saved and we plug it into CloseBot through custom fields. Then we send the lead report. This is the cool email you just saw. We send it to you as the owner. You can delete it if you don't want to. The first is the icebreaker. That's the first message here. Hi, Michael. I'm impressed by your decades of experience. It's the icebreaker, then the purpose statement, and then our entire plan is basically laid out until we actually launch the demo after saying demo starting. So that's the main workflow. Grab all the information, initiate a good conversation, and save all the important information in custom fields so CloseBot can have access to them. Now let's go to CloseBot. As soon as I typed yes, please, CloseBot got triggered and took me through those four objectives. The objective is Q1 question, Q2, Q3. These are basically all the four questions that the objectifier created for me, right? So they're all here inside the custom fields and the objective created them. So this is how we have access. Then the demo goes through booking an appointment, sending statements, saving conversation. These are more standard things, and you can customize them to your will and create the sequence as you wanted to, or of course, hire us to help you do it. Once the demo side is over, this is where we say and cut. Then we tag the user. This workflow only works if the tag is not complete. So in order to continue, we are already going to the other agent. Have to choose it again. Then part two, this is where we learn more about what they're thinking about the demo and invite them to a strategy call. This is more of your conversion process kicking in. So two workflows, one snapshot in GHL. All the instructions on how to install are right here. We're looking forward to seeing what you can do with it and what you think about it. Any questions, just hit us on the contact. If you like that, please hit like and subscribe and join our RealWave YouTube channel. We'll be looking forward to the next one.
Thank you very much. Enjoy.